So welcome back, guys, to another segment of our Alipay setup. So in this part of Alipay setup, we are going to learn how to set up your payment password. Payment password is one of important things in Alipay, because without payment password, you will not be able to pay any Chinese supplier, or you will not be able to transfer from one Alipay to another Alipay account. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can set up your Alipay payment password. So follow me as I show you. So the first thing you have to do is to click on me right here. So when you click on me, it's going to land you into this particular page. Next step you have to take is to come to setting at the top right here. Click on that. So it takes you to this particular point. So next step you have to take is to click on account and security. So account and security takes you here, okay? Next thing you have to do to set up your payment password is to click on Alipay password. Alipay password is the same thing as payment password, okay? So click on Alipay password. Alright, so at this point here, this is where you need to enter the 6-digit payment password. Make sure that the password you are going to enter here is what you will always remember, and no mistake. Once you made a mistake, it's going to be a serious trouble. So make sure you set up a 6-digit number that you will be remember whenever you want to pay any Chinese supplier, or you want to transfer from your Alipay account to another Alipay account, okay? So I'm going to off the camera now while I set up the password. Then after I'm done with the password setup, then we'll move to the next phase of this tutorial. So for a security purpose, I'm going to off the camera while I set the password, okay? So having entered your payment password in 2 times, the next thing you have to do is to click on next. So payment password added, you can see from the screen right here. So that's that. So at this point here, agree and open it. You might decide not to use Smile to Pay. Payment password work for anytime you want to make payment to any Chinese supplier. You are good to go. So you can ignore this this part of Smile to Pay. So it's not really necessary. But if you like to add 2 options of payment, validation or verification, you can add it, but it's not necessary. Just make sure that you set up your payment password in the correct way. Once you are done that, you are good to go. So this is the end of how you can set up your payment password step-by-step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to understand the step I'm taking in this video and practice it from your own hand. I'm sure you are going to be fine with the payment password without any stress. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.